Welcome back with another tutorial video. In this video, we gonna look at hidden form control. Hidden form control are used to hide the data inside the page, which later on can be pushed to the server. This control hides inside the code and does not appear on the actual page. Hidden form is being used to keep current page number. When a user will click next page, then the value of hidden control will be sent to the web server, and there it will decide which page will be displayed next based on the past current page. Let's see an example. It's all about hidden form control. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.